glasses, shake your asses, face screwed up like you having hot flashes. Which one? Pick one, this one classic. Red from blind, yeah bitch I'm drastic. Why this, why that, lips stop asking. Listen to me baby, relax and start passing. Expressway, head back, weaving through the traffic. This one strong, should be labeled as a hazard. Some of y'all niggas hot psych, I'm gassing. Clowns I spot them and I can't stop laughing. Easy come, easy go, Evie gon' be lasting. Jealousy, let it go, results could be tragic. Some of y'all ain't writing well, too concerned with fashion. None of you ain't Giselle, can't walk and imagine. A lot of y'all Hollywood drama, cast it. Cut bitch, camera off, real shit blasted.
I had to give you more, it's only been a year. Now I got my foot through the door, and I ain't going nowhere. It took a while to get me, and I'm gonna take my time. Don't fight that good shit in your ear, now let me blow your mind. They ought to make her, crank her, make speakers bleed. Shake her, haters wanna come after me. You ain't a gangster, prankster, too much TV. Snakes in my path wanna smile up at me.
Now why you gritting your teeth? Frustration, baby, you got to breathe. Take a lot more than you to get rid of me. You see, I do what they can't do, I just do me. Ain't no stress when it comes to stage, get what you see. Meet me in the lab, pen and pad, don't believe 16's mine, create my own lines. Love for my wordplay, that's hard to find. Sophomore, I ain't scared, one of a kind. All I do is contemplate ways to make your fans mine. Eyes bloodshot, stress and chills up your spine. Sick to your stomach, wishing I wrote your rhyme.
I had to give you more, it's only been a year. Now I got my foot through the door, and I ain't going nowhere. It took a while to get me, and I'm gonna take my time. Don't fight that good shit in your ear, now let me blow your mind.
Let your bones crack, your back pop, I can't stop. Excitement, Glock shots from your stash spot. Fuck it, thugged out, I respect the cash route. Lockdown, blast this sets while I mash out. Yeah, nigga, mash out. D-R-E, backtrack, think back. E-V-E, do you like that? Yeah, you got to, I know you. Had you in the trance, first glance from the flow too. Don't believe I'll show you, take you with me. Turn you on, tension gone, give you relief. Put your trust in the born winner, listen to me. Damn, she much thinner, no, now I'm complete, still stallion, brick house, pile it on, ride or die, bitch, double R, can't strong, beware, cause I crush anything I land on, me here ain't no mistake, nigga, it was planned on.